Pink tayo for today. Okay, shopping day today. Tayo ay nasa Chatuchak Weekend Market. I've been here 3 times na. Pero medyo bungad pa lang yung napupuntahan namin lagi. Ang cute oh. Hi! Init. Okay. Look. Hello. This one set?
Yes, please.
With short?
With short?
Yes, please.
Okay. This one size only? Yun na.
Malaki.
Parang mas okay to. O yung maliit na ano.
Maliit. Yan. Anong size yan?
One size lang daw eh. Or itong gray. Look at this. So cute. Pink tayo for today. Ito na lang. This one. 3. Thank you. In fairness, ang cute. $400, 150 baht. Cute.
This is mine.
Cute naman.
How much is? 750. And it is me. No, lo que pasa es que las que quedaron más baratas.
How much?
Pag nabala na tayo ng mobile phone.
350. Okay, thank you. $350 daw yun. Kaya pala may mga pa-shoulder massage dito kasi nakakapagod. Nagtanong ka dito dati, Kurt? Mahal ata. Wow. 59 lang. How much?
100 baht.
100. Kat, wala. Ay, hindi. Maliit na. It's too small. Yes. Okay, thank you. Liit. How much this one? How much?
180 baht.
180?
180
180 baht.
baht. They have sound camera.
How about this one? This one?
เท่าไหร่นะ150 บาทอ๋อไม่ใช่150
This one?
250
250?
have sound นะมาดามเนี่ย
180.
เนี่ยค่ะ this one 160 have pretty light
Okay. I'll come back. Thank you. How much for this one? 100 baht. One piece. Ganda yan, ma. Ito, bili tayo neto. 100. This one. Thank you. Yes. Kano kaya to? Hello, how much for this one? 350. Okay, thank you. Mahal. Mahal. 350 baht. Po, dito.
ฮัลโหลฝึกภาษาเขาดูรีแลกซ์นะครับ
Ah,
แอร์คอนดิชัน
250.
เนอร์รูม
Mura dyan, ano?
Chin kay Chuki perfect.
Tininining, tinining, tang, tang. Hello. Pang dog. Tininining, tinining, ting, ting.
Okay.
10 baht. Ganda ba to? 100 baht. Ito na lang, plain. Ito na lang. Kuha tayo na ito.
Udah ada bayangan ya.
20 baht. 10 baht each. Hello. Yes. Thank you. Kapong ka. May mga maleta din. Bags. Ito yung loob na. Ukay part. Ganda oh. 200 baht. Hi. Okay. 250 baht yun. The other. Hindi na tayo bibili ng Thailand kasi meron na tayo nun. This one, how much? 120?
Yes.
With sound?
Yes.
Okay.
I have sound.
With sound. And with lights? Okay. How to change battery? You can change battery?
This one.
Okay. 120 baht. Tingin tayo na maayos. Ito. This one with sound, right?
Yes.
This spot. Okay. Bili tayo. Others. This 100 all? Oh, 100 oh. Ito. Parang mas okay ito. Here. And this one. This one. Kasya ba to sa akin? Ay, dito kasya. Pwede ka pumili dito. Yan. Tapos ito yung mga design.
Yes, sir.
Comfy. 450 baht.
Follow me. Ganda. Pero maganda.
Parang ang lipis niya pero ano. Ay, cart oh.
Philippine.
Cart. Maganda.
Ito na. Naku, parang ang ganda pang bahay.
250. Sige ma. Para hindi na tayo. Hindi siya ano. Pili ka na. May pambata din sila. Oh. Look. Parang bet ko bumili nun.
Kuha ka na nun. Akin itong ganito na lang ako.
Sige na. Ito, 250 baht.
Mas okay ako sa 4-2 Ikaw pa. Wala ka medyas ka kasi. Okay, mas okay yan.
puti puti ka na ini.
Anong mas comfy?
Saan ka mas
Lakarin mo kaya?
Sakatin mo yung dalawa.
Dito, sa mixed Chatuchak, aircon siya. Ooh, 130. Hmm. Ito, dito na lang oh. Ah, okay. So, kailangan mo magpapalit. Wala silang cash. Kailangan mo ng card.
Valid for today.
Ayan. So, it can be refunded. Pwede yung mixed, rabbit card, may Thai card sila. Pero since we're not Thai, eto. Parang most ng food court sa Thai, ganito. No cash. Kailangan mo mag-load, parang beep card. Tapos, kapag naman hindi nyo na ubos, ay dito. Kapag naman hindi nyo na ubos, pwede nyo ipa-refund. So, yun. Ano na lang cart yung kanina? Mix. Ito oh.
Ayan, gusto niya.
Pero not spicy sana.
Last, the last.
Ah, ito. Ito oh, ito na lang.
34.
Stir fry minced pork with ito, stirred fried minced
34
pork.
is not spicy. Not spicy, 34.
No
No
spicy.
spicy.
I can.
Okay.
You can.
Ah.
10 minutes, come back now.
Okay, thank you. Ano? Chicken, pero mango sticky rice na tayo. Smoothie. Ayun o, orange smoothie. Ayun o. One mango sticky rice, please. Ganda talaga ng mangga nila kaysa sa atin. Parang ang smooth-smooth. Can you add more milk? This one, add more? More. Yes, please. Okay. Thank you. Oo. Ano ba yan? Pork ba yan? Baka mamaya.
This is pork.
Pork?
Pork.
Pork?
Thank
Okay.
you.
This one, pork too. Yan na lang, dalawang ganyan. So, 18. What's this? Mga sausage din.
Do you accept card?
Okay. This one. Thank you. Meal, pad krapao, barbecue, fried chicken, crab omelette rice, pad krapao. 55 baht, 35 baht each. Let's go. 100 baht shop. Siyempre, doon tayo sa malaki. Itong side mo na.
Kayo.
Ako na magdadala nito. Ikaw taga-video.
3 for 450. Alam ko mas mura dito eh.
Yes, Lex. Ayaw. Sige, sabihin ko.
Itong bubble milk tea, sakto lang yan. Pero, mas okay yung Chatramyu. Ito din, sakto lang. Medyo mas matapang yung Nestea. Kopi ko macchiato.
Ay, nak, yung ano, pila di ba ito yung pandikit? Wala nang silbing ano.
120 baht, 120 baht, 270. Eh, kung dito ko bibili nito, wala nito sa ano. Ay, wala yung ano, milk tea. Ah, ito. Eh, durian.
Ikaw yun. Ikaw.
Bili ako nito. Dalawa. Ano to, pang mosquito? Ito yung Happy News, oh. Yung sinasabi mo.
This one is sweet. I want to try one. So sweet.
Maliit yung ganto nila, oh. 100 baht. Chili mango.
Mas mura yun doon.
Tingnan kaya natin to. Kung mabango. Tiger. Ah, ito siya.
Ano yan?
This one, smell only. Ah, okay. Parang hindi naman. Parang mabaho. Hindi ko gusto, baho. Hindi naman, para siyang onion, ano. Dito. Ayan.
Parang beef.
Bili tayo nito. 12 po 4,360. Ito. Paano mo naan? Hindi yung puti lang.
Okay itong white.
Paano natin malalaman kung anong kulay? Ito. So, 12 neto. Okay. Ito maganda. Kasi, Shang Pure. Shang Pure actually yung magandang brand. So, yan yung favorite ko na inhaler. Kuha tayo na... Ay, ito. Try kaya natin to.
Isa lang.
Shang Pure Relief Cream.
Bang,
Kuha tayong isa. Yan, may oil. Ito combo. Isa for 150. Eh di mas mahal. Kasi yung 120.
kaya nga.
Mas nakapak pa nga yun eh. Andito pala yung Ano ba? 2 for 100. Bili tayo neto. Yung dilaw.
Yan yung kay papa mo.
Kaya ngayon na kuha tayo dalawa.
Di, mas malaki yata dyan. Alam ko yung white na kayo.
White na. Oops.
Ano naman to? Ganon din yun na eh.
Skin massage.
Ah,
Kuha tayo isa.
isa lang. Subok lang.
Siyempre, as sa Pinoy, yung nasa likod.
Yan lang ang mabango.
Mabango. Lavender eh.
Yan. Green bag.
Asan yung sleep balm?
For mosquitoes. Ito is sleep bag. Sleep bag.
Ah, ito pala yan.
Ang maganda niyan siguro yung lavender. Ang sleep.
Eh, asan yung spare piece? Ah, ito.
Yan, magkaiba yan.
Ito mosquito bite. Ito sleep balm.
Oo, sleep bag.
Tayo dalawa.
Magkano naman yan? Yan, tigisa tayo. At tama, isabit
59 baht. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Check out na. Wait. Hello. Okay. 2042. Okay. Okay, pa-massage tayo. It's actually for 15 minutes, 30 baht. 30 minutes, 60 minutes. Uy. Pa-take off na. Oy.
Body shape detection. The detection time is not included in the normal massage time. You can operate it later.
Wow, sa likod. Yeah. Dito na sa likod. Ayan, pwede nyo i-adjust pala yung intensity ng massage. So, sa akin, intensity, ito. Legs, medium. Airbag, medium. Massage gently. Medyo, hindi ko kaya yung, ayan, medyo ano na nga eh. Oh, yung medium. Yan, okay. Tapos, close natin. Andito yung time.
And this one the mango jelly ha. You can try.
You can try?
Mango
Okay.
jelly 3 for 200. There's something spicy. We have tamarind. Tamarind? Yeah, spicy and it was sweet.
Crop.
Crab.
So this
And we
one.
have milk flavor.
Red.
Ah,
Mix.
Can I try the red?
Yeah. Red one, the strawberry.
Strawberry.
you have strawberry
No,
only.
mix.
Mix.
The strawberry, we have the healthy.
Ah, okay.
It's a no color, no sugar.
This one, pineapple.
Yes, pineapple.
Tinikman mo na. Tikman mo. Kuha tayo neto.
We have another mango you want to try. What's this? This one pomelo.
Wow.
Mango, that one. That one.
Ah, ibang mango.
Different mango.
Tikman nyo kung masarap. Ito, yan. Ito.
Yeah,
Yan.
that one, the cheaper one.
Okay.
Gusto ko yung parang medyo matigas man.
Ito.
You can try this one pomelo and some ginger.
This one is this.
Yes.
Okay.
But best seller for that one. Anh này.
This one,
Yeah.
3 of mix and then 3 of jelly.
Oh, mango.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Ikaw ma, yung tamarind ayaw mo. Uy, cashew.
This one roasted, not fried. Roasted. Good.
How much is that?
200. So one pack.
200 for how many?
400 grams.
400 grams. Yes. Kung gusto niyo man, okay naman. Okay naman yung cashew nuts.
One of that. Ah, mahal. Kasi ano, maliit lang.
But do you have other form of nuts? Other nuts?
Yung banana chips nila, mas masarap yung sa atin, no?
Thai for the tom yum, but no free taste.
No tom yum.
Thank you.
Ito. 100 baht.
Ay, nakabili. Ay, ano, tumingin.
Pampassion.
Ito, maganda siya. Pero, super mahal. Wow. How much? Parang Divisoria. Labas tayo. $100. Ang pwede na. Hindi. $290. Ano yan?
Saan? 100 baht.
Galing. Ito maliit na electric pan. Mas maliit. Let's buy drinks here. At, andito to sa may Century Mall, 3rd floor. So,
Ito na lang akin.
Ano sa'yo, ma? Pork barbecue pork lang.
okay. What's your best seller here? Best seller? Good, which one?
Good. I mean,
Garlic pork and fish and chips for me. This one.
ano yung order mo?
Garlic pork. Okay, our order. This is pork and chips. Pork, garlic, and fish chips. I don't know.
Pork barbecue and then
Barbecue and
Pork barbecue.
I think this is
teriyaki
garlic also.
steak.
Ayan. So, yun.
Yeah, manlaki. Ang dami. Let's go! Sarap.
Ito pwede na eh.
Grabe.
Ganda ng pagkakaluto sa'yo, Mate.
Ano kayo ni ate ha? Mainit pa siya. Bago mo ba?
The bill, 766.